Hello there, Sabine here. Today I'm going to experiment with transparent pillow paint doing acrylic pour blooms. This is the first time I've done this technique, so I'm going to start with a bronze undercoat, right? So that's going to go straight on the canvas. This canvas has had a coat of gesso because it was a redo, a flop. So I'm also dropping a few little drops of alcohol ink, and we'll see how that goes. Alcohol ink does take a while to dry, but I'm just going to go with it anyway, see what happens. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. It doesn't have to be perfect, and it doesn't matter that all those little lines are in there. Okay, so these are the colours I'll be using today. I'll give them a good mix, and they've been sitting for a while, so I've just amended them with a bit of the pouring mix, and it's the Shelley Art pouring mix that I'm using, and I'll add a little bit of water to my pouring mixes as well, just so they flow nicely. Black cell activator, which is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. This has been sitting for a while and it's thickened, but I'll use it. I like that thickness. So now for the transparent pouring medium. Okay, so you can use any transparent paint as a pillow paint, or a Doors and Trims Extra Bright works well. So when I mix my pouring mixes, I'll start with I use the plastic teaspoons, and I'll do about a teaspoon of paint, and then I'll add my pouring medium slowly to my paint and continue mixing it until I get my desired consistency. this out. There, did you expect it to be so dark? I didn't. I knew it was transparent, but yeah, it definitely surprised me. I don't mind it. I can touch up the flowers, and I could add a little bit of greenery if I wanted. It would look quite good. I'll put it aside and I'll have a think about what I'll do with this piece. But take care. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, look after yourself and happy creating.